विग्रहाय हिमावदिव्यो छवि सुंदराय तस्मै महाप्रेम रस प्रदाय चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्र नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्र जन्नाप्तं कर्मनिष्ठेन च समधिगतं जत्तपध्यान जोगैर्वैराग्यैस्त्यागस्तस्तुतिभिरपि न जत कीर्तन चापि कैश्चित् गोविंद प्रेम भाजांगपि न च कलितं जदरहस्यं स्वयं च नाम्नैव प्रादुरासीत् अवतरति परे यत्र तं नौमि गौरम। चैतन्य चरितामृत आदि लीला नवम परिच्छेद चैप्टर 9 टेक्स्ट 33 এ বৃক্ষর অঙ্গ হয় সব সচেতন এ বাড়িয়া ব্যাপিল সবে সকল ভুবন মারিয়া ব্যাপিল সবে একলা মালা কারো আমি কাহা কাহা যাব একলা মালা একলা বা কত ফুল পাড়িয়া বিলাব একলা বা কত ফুল পাড়িয়া বিলাব একলা উঠাইয়া দিতে ওই পরিশ্রম এক কেহ পায় কেহ না পায় রহে মনে ভ্রম কেহ পায় অতএব আমি আজ্ঞা দিলু সবাকারে অতএব যাহা তাহা প্রেম ফুল দেহ যারে তারে যাহা তাহা एक ए वृक्ष रंग হয় सब सचेतन বাড়িয়া ব্যাপিল সবে সকল ত্রিভুবন। All the parts of this tree are spiritually cognizant and thus as they grow up they spread all over the world. একলা মালা করা আমি কাহা কাহা যাব একলা বা কত ফল পাড়িয়া বিলাব। Mahaprabhu says, I am the only gardener. How many places can I go? How many fruits can I pick and distribute? Purport by Srila Prabhupada. Here Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indicates that the distribution of the Hare Krishna Mahamantra should be performed by combined forces. Although he is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, he laments, how can I act alone? How can I alone pick the fruit and distribute it all over the world? This indicates that all classes of devotees should combine to distribute the Hare Krishna Mahamantra without consideration of the time, place or situation. একলা উঠাইয়া দিতে হয় পরিশ্রম কেহ পায় কেহ বা না পায় রাহে রহে মনে ভ্রম। It would certainly be a very laborious task to pick the fruits and distribute them alone. and still I suspect that some would receive them and some others would not. অতএব আমি আজ্ঞা দিলু সবাকারে যাহা তাহা প্রেম ফল দো যারে তারে. Therefore I order every man within this universe to accept this Krishna consciousness movement and distribute it everywhere. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. In this connection there is a song sung by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Enechi Ausadi Maya Nasibar Lagi Harinam Mahamantro Leo Tumi Magi. Bhaktivinoda Prabhu Charani Padiya Sei Harinam Mantro Loilo Magya. The Sankirtan movement has been introduced by Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just to dispel the illusion of Maya, by which everyone in this material world thinks himself to be a product of matter and therefore to have many duties pertaining to the body. Actually, the living entity is not this material body. His spirit soul, he has spiritual need to be eternally blissful and full of knowledge. But unfortunately, he identifies himself with the body, sometimes as a Brahman, sometimes as a human being, sometimes as an animal, sometimes a tree, sometimes an aquatic, sometimes a demigod, and so on. Thus, with each change of the body, it develops the different types of consciousness with different types of activities, and thus becomes increasingly entangled in material existence, transmigrating perpetually from one body to another. Under the spell of Maya or illusion, he doesn't consider the past or future, but is simply satisfied with the short lifespan that he has gotten for the present. To eradicate this illusion, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has brought the Sankirtan movement, and he requests everyone to accept and distribute it. A person who is actually a follower of Sri Bhaktivinoda Thakur must immediately accept the request of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu by offering respectful obeisances unto his lotus feet and thus beg from him the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. If one is fortunate enough to beg from the Lord this Hare Krishna Mahamantra, the life is successful. Do you understand what Mahaprabhu says? Therefore I order every man within this universe to accept this Krishna consciousness movement distributed everywhere. एकला माला कर आमी कहाँ कहाँ जाबो एकला कत फल पड़िया बिलाब. I am the only gardener. How many places can I go? How many fruits can I pick and distribute? Is it impossible for him? Supreme Personality of Godhead. Is it impossible for him? But why says? Here Prabhupada says, here Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu indicates that the distribution of Hare Krishna Mahamantra should be performed by combined forces. Isn't it? Anga upanga parsada. Isn't it? He doesn't come alone, Mahaprabhu. He comes with all his associates, with chief, limb, sub-limb associates, and his weapon, everything, with dham. Isn't it? Suyo dhama so parsada sahavatari. He descends here with his own abode, with all his associates, chief limbs, sub-limbs, devotees, associates, weapon, everything. It's congregational chanting, not alone. Ekaki amar nahi paye bado harinam mahamantra sankirtane. That's out. I cannot do this harinam sankirtane alone. Ekaki amar nahi, I have no strength. Do you understand? So congregational. It's combined force. Although he is the Supreme Personality of God, he laments. How can I act alone? How can I alone pick up the fruit and distribute it all over the world? This indicates that all classes of devotees should combine together. This is combination. Cooperation, 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 cooperation. Without cooperation, this movement cannot spread. Do you understand? Combine together to distribute Hare Krishna Mahamantra without consideration of time, place and situation. Do you understand? This is hinted here, indicated. Do you follow? All have come. All have said, all dear devotees of Gauranga, Gaura Priyadana, they have all said this thing. Cooperate, cooperate and tolerate. Haroriva Saisnuna. Be as tolerant as tree. Cooperate and tolerate. Do you understand, Yogeshwar? Why are you non-cooperating? Can't you tolerate? If you won't tolerate, won't cooperate and tolerate, Mahaprabhu's movement cannot be spread. You cannot have this fruit, prem fall. This fruit, prem fall. Do you understand? Fruit of the love of Krishna, prem. Do you understand? You cannot have and you cannot distribute. There is no question of selfishness here. Distribute to everyone, he says. Whomever you distribute. I order every man within this universe to accept this Krishna conscious movement and distribute it everywhere without consideration of time, place and circumstance. This is real love, real love. Do you understand? If you can develop love for Krishna, then you can love one and all. It's soul. It is a soul. Belongs to Krishna. It is Krishna's. Who is my beloved? Do you understand? Who is my lover or beloved? It belongs to him. So how can you neglect him? There's no question of love at all. No question of love at all. Unless you develop love for Krishna, you cannot love anybody. Your so-called love is not love at all. It is lost. It is lost. It's not love at all. It's lost. You understand? Perverted condition of love is lost. Temporary, pertaining to this body. Isn't it? It's pertaining to the body, not to the soul. So Mahaprabhu says this thing. And in the purport, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, quoting Bhaktivinoda Thakur's song, Prabhupada Maharaj said, "Enechhi ausadhi maya nasibar lagi, Harinam Mahamantra leo tumi magi." Bhakti Vinoda Prabhu Charane padya, say Harinam Mahamantra, loila magia. Do you understand? The song is Jib Jago, Gora Chanda bole, Koto Nidra Jao Maya, Pisachira. Here, Prabhupada says, Sankirtan movement has been introduced by Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just to dispel the illusion of Maya, by which everyone in this material world thinks himself to be a product of matter and therefore to have many duties pertaining to body. Isn't it? Krishna bhakti koile sarva karma kruta hoy. Shraddha sabde vishwasa kohe sudrida nishoy. Krishna bhakti koile sarva karma kruta hoy. Do you follow, Yogeshwar? Shraddha means strong faith, unflinching faith. Faith in what? Sadhu Shastra Guru, Bhakya. Isn't it? Krishna Bhakti kaila sarva karma kruta hai. If you develop Krishna Bhakti, pure Bhakti, all your duties are finished. Have strong faith in this statement. Do you follow me, Yogeshwar? But you have no faith. No faith. You have no faith in this statement. Krishna Bhakti kaila sarva karma kruta hai. If you develop Krishna Bhakti, All your so-called duties pertaining to this body, finished. No more. Finished. So, what he says here. Huh? Unfortunately, he has said, everyone in this material thinks himself to be product of matter and therefore to have many duties pertaining to the body. Yes, many duties. I have many duties. I have to take care of my family. Isn't it? My wife, my son, my daughter, my friends, kith and kin. I have duty for them. Huh? I have duty for my country. Huh? I have duty for my neighbor. Huh? I have duty for my, what do you say, animals. I have kept some animals. Huh? I have duty for them. Huh? Isn't it? Do you understand? Many duties I have. But here it says, Krishna Bhakti Kaile Sarva Karma Kruta Hoy. If you develop Krishna Bhakti, every duty finished. No more duty, no obligation to anybody. Huh? Srimad Bhagavatam says, Devarshi Bhutatto Devarshi Bhutatto Nunam Pitrunamba No Kinkaro Nayam Runicharajan Sarvatmani Jo Saranam Saranyam Gato Mukundam Parihurtakartham. Bhagavatam says. Do you follow, Jogeshwar? You have duty for this. Deva, Rusi, Nru, Pitru. Huh? You have duty for demigods. You are indebted to them, isn't it? They are supplying you what you need. You need air, you need water, you need light, you need heat. They supply. So are you not indebted to them? Huh? Then I have that duty also. You think so? Huh? Rusi, the Rishi saints, says you have duty for them also. Isn't it? They give you nice instruction. Huh? Impart knowledge. So you have duty for them. You are indebted to them. You have to pay back the debt. Huh? They were Nunam. You have duty for the human society. Because you are in the society. And you are dependent on others also. So you are dependent on neighbor. Your neighbor helps you in time of need, and you have duty for him. So you are also indebted, isn't it? Nunam, Pitrunam. You are indebted to your father and mother. They have given you birth. Huh? So you are indebted to them also. You have to pay back that debt also. Huh? So I have duty. It's all pertaining to this body. Isn't it? That's what we say. They were Sinunam Bhutapta. Bhuta Apta. You understand? They are animals. You depend on the animal. You depend. Cow gives you milk, bull plows, produces corn. So, you depend on them. So you have duty for them. You are indebted to them. Bhuta, isn't it? Western world you have kept dog. So you have duty for a dog. Isn't it? I have duty for my dog. Atta, my friends. I have many friends in this material world. They have helped me. They are helping me. So I have duty for them also. So many duties. So many obligations. Devarsi Bhutapta Nunam Pitrunamba Na Kinkaro Nayam Runinchanajan Sarvatmane Jo Saranam Saranyam Gata Mukundam Parihurtakartham. Bhagavat says, if you will completely take shelter of lotus feet of Mukunda and render service unto the lotus feet of Mukunda, then all your these so-called duties, obligations are finished. All debts are paid back. All debts are paid back. Do you understand? So those who don't do this thing, they are really indebted. They have to pay back. Therefore, material consideration is there. According to Karmakanda section of Veda, it is there. To pay back the debt of your father and mother, What shall you do? You have to marry, accept a wife, produce a son to keep up the dynasty. And that son will give pinda. Do you understand? To forefathers, pinda dan. Huh? Huh? Shraddha. Yes. Thereby, some debt you may repay. Huh? Otherwise, you become indebted. You have not done so. Huh? You are not married, you have not produced son, then indebted. Then you are produced. Your father, mother produced you. Then you have to do to pay back that debt. And you also offer shraddha for your father, mother. And then you do what? Then you grow up, study Vedas. Do you understand? Do yajna. Then you will pay back the debt incurred. The debt of the demigods. Dev yajna. Do you understand? Give their share in yajna. Do you understand? And study Veda. Do you understand? Then you will pay back the debt to the rishis, saints, thereby. Huh? Do you understand? In this way, when you have not done so, how can you think of that you are free from debts? But very easy process, Bhagavat says. Sarvatmane jo saranam saranyam datta mukundam parihurta kartam. One is completely surrendered unto the lotus feet of Mukunda, all his debts are paid back. No more duties, no obligation, finished. Do you understand? You have lakhs and lakhs of parents, father and mother, because you are born lakhs and lakhs of times. Huh? Have you paid back their debts? So much debt has been accumulated. But here is a process. Sarvatmane jo saranam saranyam gata mukundam parihurtakam. Completely surrender unto lotus feet of Mukunda. All your days are finished. All obligations, all duties finished. No more. Do you understand? That is said. Enechi ausadhi maya nasibar lagi harinam mahamantra levotum magi bhakati vinoda prabhu charane padiya sei harinam mantra lailo magiya. Jib jago গোরাচান্দ বলে কত নিদ্রা যাও মায়া পিশাচির কোলে. গোরাচান্দ, Gauranga Mahaprabhu says, wake up, jivas, because you are in the spell of illusion and maya. Illusion or maya. Therefore you have forgotten your own identity. You have developed this bodily conception of life, thinking yourself body. And all the duties pertaining to his body. I am so busy, I have no time. I am so busy, I have no time. So many duties I have to do. What is that? You have forgotten. You see, you have forgotten. As a soul, you have spiritual need to be eternally blissful and full of knowledge. But unfortunately, you have identified yourself with the body. Therefore, you are sometimes human being, sometimes an animal, sometimes a tree, sometimes an aquatic, sometimes demigod, and so on, involving in the cycle of birth and death. So, this is forgetfulness. Who is really your well-wishing friend? He says to this thing. Srudam sarvabhutanam. Krishna says in Bhagavad, I am Avidyaro bhore bhuliya tomar elohite ami haino avtaro tomar elohite আমি বিনা বন্ধু আরো কে আছে তোমার আমি বিনা বন্ধু আরো Mahaprabhu says. Huh? Bhajiva Bolya se sansar. You have come here to do Krishna bhajan, but you have forgotten. As your well-wishing friend, I have come here to remind you this thing, my friend, Yogeshwar. Do you understand? You have forgotten coming in contact with Maya, illusion. Ignorance, Maya. Therefore you have forgotten. But you have come here to do bhajan. তোমার লইতে আমি হইন অবতার, আমি বিনা বন্ধু আর কে আছে? For you I have come here, descended. Is there anybody friend but me? Have you any friend, well-wishing friend but me? Mahaprabhu says. Huh? Isn't it? So Mahaprabhu says, I have brought medicine for you to kill that, annihilate that Maya that has made you forgotten. Huh? That is Harinam Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. I have gotten this medicine. The chief result of that Harinam is Krishna Prema. Huh? Prema, love. You'll get Krishna. That is your need as a soul. Do you understand? That Prabhupada says here. Huh? What is the need of the soul? He has a spiritual need to be eternally blissful and full of knowledge, but unfortunately, forgotten, isn't it? You have never thought of what is your real need. You are always thinking of the need of the body, what you are not. Huh? Isn't it? But as a friend, well-wishing friend, I tell you this thing. For you, I have come here, descended here, and remind you, you have come here to do bhajan. When you are in the mother's womb, at that time you have given words, isn't it? Third canto Bhagavatam, I was quoting, and Chaitanya Bhagavat also. Vrindavana Thakur says. Kapiladev says, I was quoting that. Jagater Pita Krishna Jana Bhajeva Pitrudohi Pato Kiro Janma Janma Pato. Kapiladev says to his mother, Devhuti, Father of the universe is Krishna, isn't it? Sarvajoni Sukontaya Murtaya Sambhavanti Ja Tasam Brahma Mahajoni Aham Bija Pradapita. Isn't it, Yogeshwar? Why don't you say yes? Can't understand? Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, I am the seed-giving father. Isn't it? Bija Pradapita. I am the seed-giving father. All the Jivajonis, I am the seed-giving father. So he is father of the universe, father of all living entities. Jagatir Pita Krishna. Krishna is the father of the universe. Jena bhoje baap, pitrudohi pato kiro janma janmata. If someone doesn't do the bhajan of his father, he commits great offense at the lotus feet of that father. Do you understand? So, life after life, he should suffer. He should suffer. Do you understand? Because he has not done his father's bhajan, Krishna bhajan. What is that? Then says, Kapiladev says, and Vrindavana Thakur writes that, Krishna na bhajile paye jote ko durgati. Maria puna paye garbhavas, sarvange hoy purva papet prakash. If someone doesn't do Krishna bhajan, what suffering is there? Janma janma. Life after life, innumerable lives, lots of lives. Again and again, he is put into mother's womb. Dies, again put into mother's womb, then born, then dies, then again put in mother's womb. Do you understand? To be put in mother's womb means very painful. Do you understand? Great suffering, very severe suffering. Do you know? Chidananda. You have forgotten it? Or have you remembered? What sort of suffering, pain is there? If a scorpion will sting you, have ever stung? Hey, get scorpion, get one scorpion. Put on his body. Let him experience what pain is this. So painful. If at a time hundreds of scorpions will sting, you imagine what sort of pain is there. Such pain is there in other soul. Do you understand? Such pain. Therefore it says the birth is a, what do you say, misery, isn't it? Janma mrityu jara vyadhi dukkha dosanu darsana. Gita says, birth, death, old age and disease. These are sufferings. Dukkha. Huh? Lakhs of times you are put into mother's womb. And I've already gotten that suffering, isn't it? But you have forgotten. As a friend, I am reminding you. Don't go again to that painful situation. Do you want to go again? Yes, he wants. Says no. He wants. Do you understand? Kapladev says, what is that? Moria, punna paya garovas. Again and again, dies again and again. He is put into the mother's womb and suffers there, gets pain, unbearable pain. Sarvanga hoy purva paper prakash. Kotu amla lavana janani jato khai. Onge gya lage tar mahamov. The mother eats pungent things, salty things, isn't it? Sour things. All this come. Touches the body of, very soft body of the child in the womb. And the child gets pain. Pungent. Very pungent things, salty things, sour things. The mother eats. And the child gets suffering. Gets pain, he says. Sans mansavoyo anga krumi kule beri khai. Guchaite nahi shakti moroi jwalai. Very soft body. Worms are there biting. Very small place. No, cannot move. No power, no strength to drive. Hey, hato. Cannot do it. So painful. The child in whom Jwala, Taptapinjab, very hot place, I say. At a time, hundreds of scorpions will bite. Such hot, painful situation in the mother's womb. Tobe, prana rohe bhavitya virkaje. Still he survives. Why? Because I'll get out of this place. Then again I'll be born. With this hope he survives. But those who are very, very sinful persons, কোন অতি পাতকীয় জন্ম নাহি হয়, গর্বে হয় পুণ্য উৎপত্তি প্রলয়. Those who are very, very sinful, they never come out from the womb. There is abortion, isn't it? Abortion is there. No birth is there. The abortion is very sinful persons. He doesn't get birth. In that mother's womb, many births go in that way, very. And in your West, becoming very intelligent, you kill the child in the womb. Kill the child in the womb, isn't it? You are doing. It has also come to India now. Yes. Killing the child in the womb. One who is very, very sinful, such killing is there in the womb also. Yes. He never gets birth, never comes out. Sunamata jive tattvera sansthan, satomase jiver garbhete hoy gyan. Kapladev says, my mother, you listen to me. When there is 7th month, the consciousness comes to the child there. He becomes conscious, he could remember his past life. Do you understand? Sangariya kare anutap, স্তুতি করে কৃষ্ণেরে ছাড়িয়া ঘন শ্বাস। He could remember his past life. What was I? I was this and that. Just past. I had done such sinful activity, such things. Therefore, now I am here in such painful situation and suffering. I have been inflicted punishment. Then he offers prayer to Krishna in the womb. Do you understand? Raksha Krishna, Jagat Jiver Prananath, Tuma Vai Dukha Jiva Nivedivikat. Oh, Lord of the universe, oh Krishna, please protect me. In the womb he prays. Tuma Vai Dukha Jiva Nivedivikat. Whom shall I tell this tale of woe? But you. You are the Lord of the universe. So I am telling you. Huh? যে করে বন্দি প্রভু ছাড়া সেই সে সহজ মুক্তের প্রভু মায়া করে কিসে? One who puts someone in the jail, only he can set him free. So you are the Supreme Lord. So only you can set me free. Nobody else. Huh? Dhana mithya dhana putra rase gwailu janama na bhajilu toro dui amulya charana. Then he says, laments, remembers last life. I have committed many sinful activities. I have developed attachment to all material possessions, sons, daughters, wives, material kith and kin. Those are false, not true. I have wasted my life. I have not done bhajan of your lotus feet. Yes, it says that. যে পুত্র পোষণ কইল সে সবির ধর্মে, এখনো কোথা সে সব গেল মোর এই কর্মে। Toiling hard like an ass, I earn money. Do you understand? And took care of my son. Gave him nice food, gave him nice education. Do you understand? To all sorts of care. Where is he now? I am suffering. He is not helping me. He is not coming to me. Where is that son now? কেহ সুখ নাই দেবে পুত্র পরিবার। Mahajan says, your son, your family, your wife, nobody can give you any pleasure, Baba. কেহ সুখ নাই দেবে পুত্র পরিবার, your family, nobody can give you pleasure. Only Krishna can give you. And you have forgotten Krishna, and I am not doing his bhajan. In the womb he is saying, কোথা শেষ হব গেল মোর এই কর্মে, এখনো দুঃখ মোর কে করিবে পার, তুমি সে এখনো বন্ধু করিবা উদ্ধার। All these friends, all my son, my wife, all my kith and kin, where they are now, they are not with me now. I had toiled a whole life for them, but they are not now with me, not helping me. I am suffering here. You are the only friend of mine, of Krishna. There's no friend but you. এখনো বন্ধু তুমি করি, only you can protect me, save me. এতে কে জানিনু সত্য তোমার চরণ, রক্ষ প্রভু কৃষ্ণ তোর লইনু শরণ। I take shelter of you, O Krishna, please protect me. In the womb he says. Do you understand? তুমি হেন কল্পতরু ঠাকুর ছাড়িয়া ভুলিলাম অসৎ পথে প্রমত্ত হইয়া। You are such a merciful Lord, but I had forgotten you. Do you understand? Committed many sinful activities, forgetting you. I had become mad. Do you understand? Therefore, I have been inflicted such punishment, and it is befitting for me, because I am such a rascal, such an offender. Punishment should be there, and this is Ujit Shastri, befitting punishment that I have been put here. Such painful situation, and I have been burning as if in a burning pot, fiery pot. This Matrukukhi, in the mother's womb. isn't it? Kapladev says, and Vrindavan Thakur writes this thing. উচিত তাহার এই যোগ্য শাস্তি হয়, করিলা তো এবে কৃপা কর মহাশয়, এই কৃপা কর যেন তোমা না পাশরি, যেখানে সেখানে কেনে না জন্মি না মরি. All right, I had committed such wrongs, mistakes, offenses, sins. Now right punishment has come to me. Now please protect me, please save me, protect me. Do you understand? Please show your mercy. This time I will never forget you. Again I will never commit such mistake. Please take me out of this painful situation. Do you understand? So you have given words to Krishna. Ah, isn't it? Yogeshwar. But you have forgotten. You have forgotten. Ah, forgotten. Then he says, he says, Kapladev says this thing. হেন কর কৃষ্ণ এবে দাস্য যোগ দিয়া চরণে রাখো এ দাসী নন্দন করিয়া. Oh Krishna, please shower your mercy. Please accept me as a servant at your lotus feet. Do you understand? চরণে রাখো দাসী নন্দন করিয়া, বারে করহ যদি এ দুঃখের পার, তোমা বই তবে প্রভু না চাইবা. If you now save me this time, please get me, set me free from this place, and this time I will never forget you. I will never forget you. I will serve your lotus feet. You have given words. Do you understand? But what happens then? স্তবের প্রভাবে গর্ভে দুঃখ নাহি যায়, কালে পড়ে ভূমিতে আপন অনিচ্ছায়. Do you understand? Then he says, গর্ভবাস দুঃখ প্রভু এহ মোর ভালো, যদি তোর স্মৃতি মোর রহে সর্বকাল. Then he says, now I am remembering you, because I have been suffering here, and I could remember my past life. So though it is very painful, still it is better for me, because I am remembering you. Do you follow me? Do you follow me? Though it is very painful season, still it is better for me, because I am remembering for you. So I don't want to get out of it, because if I get out again, I may forget you. So again I may be put here. It's better, no, I won't go. But he cannot stay there, because a conditioned soul has to suffer. Though he is not willing to come out, but it comes out. When that, what do you say? In English, what do you say? Propelling force is there that propels, and the child gets out, though he is unwilling. Do you understand me? Yes. It's propelling air. It's a propelling air that propels him out, gets out from the womb. Though he says, no, I don't want, it is better. Let me suffer here and stay here and remember you. But he cannot. He gets out. He says, কালে পড়ে ভূমিতে আপন অনিচ্ছায়. অনিচ্ছায় means though he doesn't want. শুনো শুনো মাতা, জীবতত্ত্বের সন্তান ভূমিতে পড়িলে মাত্র, as soon as he born, he became unconscious. Do you understand? If you don't do Krishna bhajan, this type of suffering, you must have life after life. Life after life. Do you understand? So Mahaprabhu says, জীব জাগো, গোরা চান্দ বলে কত নিদ্রা যাও মায়া পিশাচ. Get up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Gokul Das, wake up, wake up. Sleep. Lap of ugly witch. The lap of ugly witch, how long? How many nights will you sleep? Jim jago. Wake up. ভজিব বলিয়া সে সংসার ভিতরে ভুলিয়া রই. You have come here to bhajan, to do bhajan. When you are in Madhusum, you have given words to Krishna, but you have forgotten now. I have come here. I am your only well-wishing friend. So I have descended here for you, to remind you this thing. To remind you this thing. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu says, Ami bina bandhu ar kya ache? Is there any well-wishing friend but me? Huh? Ache? Is there? Huh? Is there any well-wishing friend but me? No, no. So I am telling. Enechi ausadhi maya nasibar lagi harina mahamantra lyotanai. I have brought this medicine, unfailing medicine, to annihilate maya. This is Harina Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Take this medicine. Bhakti Vinoda Prabhu Charane Padiya say Harina Mantra. Who is very intelligent like Bhakti Vinod Thakur, immediately, without making any delay, immediately he falls at the lotus feet of Mahaprabhu. Please give me that medicine. He accepts immediately. Not making delay, no delay. It's immediate. You understand? Then he says, Kotha katho dine kal base hoy buddhi gyan. It says a bhojai Krishna sai bhagyavan. Then child grows up. Do you understand? Get some education. If someone is bhagyavan, fortunate, he does not forget Krishna and he does Krishna's bhajan. A fortunate. But one who is unfortunate, he again forgets. Again forgets. Isn't it? Associating with asat, non-devotees. He forgets. One who is fortunate, he says, Annatha na bhaje, Krishna dusta sanga kare, puna sei mata maya pape dubi mare. One who is unfortunate, he does the association of non-devotees and again forgets Krishna. Again he is put into such mother's home, such painful situation. He is unfortunate. But one who is fortunate, what he does? He associates with sadhu. That is it. Ete ko bhojo Krishna sadhu sanga kari. Ko bhojo Krishna. Bolo. Sadhu sanga kari. Bolo. Ete ko bhojo Krishna sadhu sanga kari. Mane chinto Krishna Mata mukhe bolo hari. Mane so this is instruction. Ateka bhoja Krishna sadhu sang. Then associate with sadhu and do Hari bhajan. Mane chinta Krishna Mata. আমার বলিয়া প্রভু আর কিছু নাই আমার তুমি যে আমার মতো পিতা বন্ধু ভাই তুমি যে আমারও মাত্র Bhakti Vinod Thakur says, Lord, there is nobody that I say mine. You are only mine. Do you understand? You are only mine. That is said. With your open heart, pure heart, say once, Krishna, I am yours, you are mine. Say once. with open heart. Immediately Krishna will accept you. You understand? With open heart, pure heart, not with crooked heart. Don't say from the lips, say from the heart. Oh Krishna, you are yours. Ami tomar, tumi amar. And you are everything for me. You are my father, you are my mother, you are my friend. You are everything. Pita, mata, bandhu, bhai. You are my father, you are my mother, you are my friend, you are my brother. You are everything for me. Yes. Only relationship is Krishna, isn't it? That is it. এতক ভজ কৃষ্ণ সাধু সঙ্গ করি মনে চিন্ত কৃষ্ণ মাতা মুখে বলো হরি. Think of this thing. Krishna is father and mother, not our name of Lord Hari. You understand? সেই সে পরম বন্ধু, সেই পিতা মাতা, শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চরণে যেই প্রেম ভক্তি দাতা, শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চরণে যেই প্রেম ভক্তি দাতা, সকল জন্মে পিতা মাতা সবে পায়. কৃষ্ণ গুরু নাহি মিলে ভজ হে হিয়ায়. কৃষ্ণ Lotan Das Thakur has said in Chaitanya Mangal this thing. Say Parama Bandhu, say Pitamata. He is my supreme friend. He is my father. He is my mother. Sri Krishna Charane Jai Prema Bhakti Data. One who has given Prema Bhakti at the lotus feet of Krishna. Do you follow me? One who has given Prema Bhakti to me at the lotus feet of Krishna, he is my father, he is my mother, he is my supreme friend. Who is he? He is Guru Pada Padma. He is spiritual master. Do you follow? He is spiritual master. He is my supreme friend. He is my father. He is my mother. Parama Bandhu, Pita, Mata. Friend, supreme friend, father, mother. He has given me birth. He is both father and mother. By the union of father and mother, child is produced. I am produced. He has given me birth, second birth, new birth. He is my father and mother. Isn't it? Yes. Say Paramabandhu, say Pita Mata, Sri Krishna Charane Jai Prema Bhakti Data. Sakala janme Pita Mata sabhai. Krishna Guru nahi mile, bhajoi hi ai. In all your births, you have material fathers and mothers. You have lots of births and lots of father and mother, isn't it? Every birth. When you take birth, you have father and mother. It is available, but it is not. Krishna Guru nahi mile, but such Guru who gives you Krishna Prem Bhakti is not so easily available. You should understand it. How can they be? How can they be? Cannot give Krishna Prema, how can they be father and mother? Do you follow me? Krishna Guru nahi mile. Nahi mile is not available so easily. You should think of this thing in your heart, in your mind. You say hiya means heart. Do you understand? Bhajo hiyai. So, Mahaprabhu as a teacher, Acharya, he is saying this thing. Enechi ausodhi maya nasibar lagi. I have brought for you because I am your only well-wishing friend. One, This medicine, unfailing medicine, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. Take this. Huh? And the chief result of Hare Krishna Mahamantra is prema, Krishna prema. Thereby you'll get Krishna. That is your need as a soul. What Prabhupada Maharaj says. As a spiritual need to be eternally blissful and full of knowledge. Because Krishna is eternally blissful and full of knowledge. And you are his eternal part and parcel. So this is your spiritual need. You have forgotten it. As a friend, I am reminding you, and I have brought this for you, and take this. Don't make delay immediately. Bhaktivinoda Thakur immediately falls flat at the lotus feet of my friend. Please give me. No delay. Do you understand? So that was a question. In other yugas, other names are also there. Now it comes up. It's Kali Yuga. Taraka Naam. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. प्रभु कहे कहिलाम यही महामंत्र यहाँ जप गया करिया निर्बंध इन चैतन्य भागवत महापुरुष says, I tell you, this is Mahamantra. You take this mantra, and this mantra you do japa in your beads, and this mantra also do kirtan. Everything, this mantra, nothing else. Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. प्रभु कहे कहिला में महामंत्र यहाँ जप गया करिया. Do you understand? यहाँ japa, do the japa of this mantra. The Guru gives this mantra for japa. Do you follow me? With seriousness, strictly following regulative principles and the instruction of Guru, you do japa. Ya hoite sarva siddhi hoibe sabar, sarvakshana balaite vidhina. You will get all sorts of perfection. This holy name will give you. All sorts of perfection. The highest perfection is Krishna prema, means Krishna give you. Sarvakshana, every moment you utter this name of Krishna. No hard and fast rule for it. Do you understand? No hard and fast. Any place, any time, any circumstances, you can utter Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. Do you understand? His holy name, Madhura, is so sweet. Nectarian. Madhura ye Krishna Naam. Isn't it? Is it not sweet? Madhura ye Krishna Naam. It's very sweet. It's sweeter than the sweetest. Do you understand? Madhuram meta. It's sweeter than the sweetest. Mangalam mangalanam. It's the more auspicious than the most auspicious. This Harinam, Krishna Naam. Do you understand me? Mahaprabhu gives, and the acharyas coming in that disciplinary succession, they give you. Because they are your only friend. The highest thing. Karyan yayata sarva siddhi hoye sabar, sarvakshana balaite vidhi. No hard and fast. Namakari bodha, nija sarva sakti, tatrarpita niyamita, smaranino kala. Etadrusi tava kripa, bhagavan mamapi, durdaive drusi miha janina anurag. Sikhyastaka. But I am such a rascal. I cannot develop taste for it. I am such a rascal. You are giving me such thing which is sweeter than the sweetest, which is more auspicious than the most auspicious. But I am such a rascal. And there is no hard and fast rule for chanting. And remember, you are giving such thing, but I am such a rascal. I cannot develop taste for it. Isn't it? So this Taraka Brahmanam is Kali Yuga Taraka Brahmanam. Do you understand? Hare Krishna. And here, Madhurya Ras is here. Every Ras. Chari Bhava Bhakti Diya. Dasya, Sakhya, Vasalya, Madhurya. Everything is here. Do you understand? But in other yugas, no such thing is there. Satya, Treta and Dwapar. In Satya Juga Tarka Brahmanam is Narayana Parabeda, Narayana Parakshara, Narayana Paramukti, Narayana Paragati. This is the name for Satya Juga. Do you understand? This is Narayana, not Krishna. Do you understand? So Narayana gives only liberation. Huh? Not prema. Only Krishna gives prema. Narayana gives up to liberation. You'll get mukti. Do you understand? And that is the highest thing. And it is Aishwarjagata, it is opulent. Vaikuntadipati Narayana is, Vaikuntha means opulence. There is no madhurya. Do you understand me, my language? It is opulence only. Narayana. And his associates. Huh? Only Dasya Bhav, only Dasya Rasa is there, nothing else. Best. And Treta Juga, Rama Narayana Ananta Mukunda Madhusudana, Krishna Kesava Kansare Hare Vaikuntha Vamana. This name for Treta Juga, Tarka Brahmana. Purport is here. In these names, only the opulence of Narayana is there. Do you understand? And the Asyaras and half Sakhya is here. Do you understand? Santa, Dasya, half Sakhya. 22.5 rasas only, nothing more. Do you understand? And Dwapar Yug, Hare Murare, Madhukaita Bhare, Gopala Govinda, Mukunda Saure, Jagyesa Narayana, Krishna Vishnu, Nirasrayumma, Jagadisa Rakhya. This is the name for Dwapar Yuga. Do you understand? Follow me. Dwapar Yuga. And purport is that in these names, here are Santa, Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsal, only 4 rasas. 4 rasas. 5th Madhurya rasa is not here. But in Kali Yuga, this name, everything. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram. So sweet nectarian name contains all the mellows. And highest mellow, Madhurya rasa, I say, is sweeter than the sweetest, more auspicious than the most auspicious. Do you understand? This. Do you follow? That was your question. Now it answered. Thank you. Yeah?
Like 2 questions. One question in previous ages, the name did not award usually doesn't have as much potency as the age of parliament.
Huh?
Holy name does not have as much potency as in previous, as in the age of parliament.
I say what are the Tarka Brahmanam and what Juga and what rasa it contains, I tell you.
They can chant Hare Krishna, be the same.
They were not chanting Hare Krishna in other ages. Those names are chanted.
My second question is related.
Therefore, it is said the people of other Yugas are aspiring for taking birth in Kali Yuga because highest thing is available and very easy. Especially in Kali Yuga when Mahaprabhu comes. This is the Kali Yuga. Special Kali Yuga. Because every Kali Yuga Mahaprabhu doesn't come. That I said. Also, his portion of the portion comes, also comes. Also, hoite hoy Juga Dharma Pratita. Only he can introduce Juga Dharma, but he cannot give prema. Ama bina anya naite braja prema dite. That we had discussed 2 days ago, I think. Krishna said, without me, nobody can give braja prema. So Ansa can give only introduce Juga Dharma, but no prema. So special Kali Yuga, Krishna comes. The Dwapar Yuga in which Krishna comes, the next Kali Yuga, Mahaprabhu comes. Is once one in a kalpa. And this is the special Kali Yuga. So people of other Yugas, they are aspiring for taking birth in special Kali Yuga because they will get prema. Because they cannot get prema, you find those, what rasa it contains. No Madhurya rasa. Satya, Treta, Dwapar. It's so difficult for them. But very easy for these people of Kali Yuga. Especially this Kali. You are such rascal. not aspiring for it.
Kapriva wasn't exhibited not years again.
Huh?
Kapriva was exhibited not years.
No Madhuri, I say. Dapar Santadasya Sakhya Vatsalya. Yes. Hare Murare Madhukoitavare Govinda Gopala Mukunda Saure. Jagadishama Narayana. Do you understand? This?
Sorry, he wanted to answer the second question.
Yes. Mm.
You would describe that song by Thakur, I believe, describe the conditions of the child in the womb.
Yeah.
Now, I can understand that sometimes people get bodies in different modes of nature,
Mm.
like lower mode, but they still get new body. Does everyone, it appears that description sounds like they're a little bit Krishna conscious.
Yes, that is question. Very nice question. Important question. I have not time, so I'm not going to discuss. If get opportunity, tomorrow I'll discuss quoting Jiva Goswami from Bhakti Sandarbha. So I didn't touch it today because it's so late. Yes.
And it's just one quick question.
What more question?
That every young person is.
I'll tell tomorrow, I say. You remind me. I'll quote Bhakti Sandarbha, what Jiva Goswami has said. Because it's very subtle question. Yes, you are very intelligent that you asked this question. Thank you very much. Hey. No. Right. Because it will take some time more. I have to quote Jiva Goswami, Bhakti Sandarbha. Acharyas have said. So therefore, one who is fortunate only, Yovan, only he does not forget. Do you understand?
Mhm.
He?
But all the jivas remembering.
No,
Oh, just some of them.
no. That is there.
That's what I was preparing the question that without distinction, all the jivas remembering Krishna
No.
or just a few.
That's what I say.
Yeah, right.
Then Jiva Goswami has answered that question.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Kapila has not said that.
Mhm.
Therefore, Tattva Jigyasa is there.
Mhm.
You should ask, inquire. Acharyas have said, Jiva Goswami is Acharya, Tattva Acharya.
So what's the point if someone remembers and he forgets? What is the specialty about that? If someone is a special soul but able to remember, but when he comes out and he forgets, so what's the specialty?
But arrangement is that
It's the same.
he'll meet a sadhu, again he'll remember.
Oh, I know that's the
And we follow.
But others, even they meet the sadhu, they cannot remember.
They cannot remember.
Right.
Yes.
That's the difference.
Yeah, that's the difference.
Does that depend on the Sukriti?
Sukruti.
Yes.
Therefore, say Bhagyavan, fortunate.
Shraddha, huh?
Fortunate.
Fortunate.
This word is very significant.
Yes.
Fortunate, unfortunate. Yes. Brahmanda Brahmite kon Bhagyavan jiva. Guru Krishna Kripata. Why he says? After undergoing so many universes, one is fortunate,
Yes.
he comes